The Kremlin and the Blizzard in the late 1918 by Boris Pasternak. As if thrown from the rails to the snows by the last station in red and ruins, as if pressing on in felt boots across the midnight fields, and whistles and noise, as if before the end all strength collapsing, calling out in despair to the blizzard, to avoid the wind extinguishing the soul, near the time when the darkness covers all, as a messenger grabbed by the lapels by laughing, whirlwind the catch is the tussles over hood, and great ones greet ones in handcuffs, but sometimes as a ship, roped by the bay with the hooting away to the farrows, miraculously freed by the anchor, and the final night's incomparable with anything something strange for me. It, the Kremlin rigged out with so many winters, is taking out its hatred on today's, and grand enveloped in the past, like the visionaries' divination. It flies straight ahead or inspiring through the unfinished year into 19. It breaks into your window in twilight with all the copper, the bell towers. It's frightened, it seems the year will flash by. It'll let it by and won't get to know it. The remainder of the days, the remainder of the storms. Faded to the towers in 18. Rager spins all around. Eventually hasn't played to its fill beyond the sea. Of this common time I foresee this untranspired year, sitting down anew, educating me, all shattered.